Hello everyone, welcome back to my Kusina, and today we're going to cook this soya meat. One of my Sri Lankan subscriber requests me to cook this soya meat, and this soya meat recipe is very easy and very quick to prepare, so just keep on watching. First, in a separate bowl, we're going to marinate this soya meat in hot water for 8 to 10 minutes. For those who doesn't know, soya meat known as textured vegetable protein. People who are vegetarian, this soya gives the equal amount of protein of a meat. Most of the soya meat comes with many flavors such as chicken, fish, prawn, mutton, and cuttlefish flavor. After marinating the soya meat for 8 to 10 minutes, we are going to drain the soya meat and completely squeeze out the water in the soya meat. And then after squeezing out all those excess water from our soya, we will be adding these spices that is already available inside the packet of our soya meat. Just mix it well, and then we're just going to set it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, heat oil in a heavy bottom pan, and we will going to saute our garlic. And then our ginger, now we can add our onions. Now we can also add our tomatoes and mixing it that well also until all is wilted. Then add the curry leaves and this green chili. Then of course our main ingredient, our soya meat. And to make your soya meat more tasty and creamier, we are going to pour in this coconut milk. And then we will be continue simmering this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just add some salt if needed according to your taste. And then we'll be back after 3 minutes. This time our soya meat become little dry, and then it's ready to serve. Always remember to serve your soya meat hot as a side with plain boiled rice or with any flatbreads. Ayan, it's all ready. Kain na po tayo. Come, let's eat. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell below for more upcoming videos. Thank you and God bless you all. See you again on my next videos. Bye.